What's up guys, Ultikid back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a plaque or a sign in Autodesk 123D. So first you're going to open up your application and just put a basic block down on the build plate. From here you're just going to want to select any of the sides, and you're basically just going to start shaping it to how big you want your plaque to be. So pretty, kind of thin, not too thin, about there. Stretch it out a little bit. Make it however long I want it. And I can also do this after I insert the text, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. And just the last one right here. Alright. So then after this, if you want to put words on it, you can click the text icon right there. Select what object you want to do it on, specify the text position, and from here you can move the text around to wherever you want it to be. Change the text. I'm just going to make mine say Ultikid. You can change the font to whatever you want, but I like this standard basic font. It's easy to read. And I'm going to change the height, which is basically how big your letters are going to be. So I'm going to change that to about 15 is good. You can play around with those different settings. You want to move this around to where it's basically in the middle of your box. And then you should be good. You can also change the angle right here, the degrees, or you can just click that and drag it around to make the text go in circles. And then from here you just want to click OK and click the text as a whole, all of the letters, and then click extrude text. So you can do this in one of two ways. You can either, it depends how you want it, you can either make it go upward to make it go out like that, up and down, or you can make it go into the plaque if you want it indented. Me personally, I like it indented better, so you're just going to pull down on it like that, just to the position that you want it to be in, just how deep you want it to be. I don't want to make it too deep, but I don't want to make it too shallow either. So I'd say about right here is pretty good. And from here, you can just click the enter button, and it'll do that. And then you're just going to want to remove, so you want to click the text again until it's orange, and then click the delete key, and that'll delete it. And as you can see, I went a little bit far, but it's completely fine. I don't mind having it front and back. But as you can see, it'll go all the way through. If you don't put it all the way down, then there will still be filament on the bottom. There will still be filament on the bottom as a base. But this is fine for me. So I'm just going to click off that and then select each one of these corners. So once you select a corner, you're going to want to fillet it. And all that's going to do is that is basically going to, you can change that to however many, and that's basically going to make it beveled or smooth. You can make it however large you want. 2 is pretty good. You're going to want to make that even on all sides. So you're going to do that to each side. Alright, so now that we have that done, just want to click off, and this is your main plaque. So from here you can make any minor changes to it, or major. You can make it, if you want it a little bit closer to the build plate, not as thick, you can just select this top one right here, go to these settings, press pull, and just bring it down some, like that. Oh, it Alright, so in the D it had didn't bring it all down. So what you can do from there, you can just, if you accidentally do that, you can just go back, select it all, and you can make it go down from there. So, alright, so once you have your plaque, you're just going to want to go up here to the settings, go to export as 3D, click STL, and then you can either choose coarse, medium, or fine. That just depends on how large you want your file to be. Finer would of course be more detail, medium and coarse would be more. You can export it as an ASCLL or 1.1, and just this will make it a STL, which then you can save onto wherever your desktop. You can just say this as, I'm just going to save it as an Ultikid plaque. And it'll save right here. Alright, so with that STL, you can of course put it into your application Cura or any of your other choices of slicer to send to your 3D printer. But I'm not gonna go and I'm not gonna make it today. I just created the file, the STL, and of course from this you can add any details you want. You can add a handle to it or anything. You can make it thinner, thicker, longer, shorter, and put any words in it as you want. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, anything you can do to help me on this channel. And if of course you're feeling a little bit nice, you can go to paypal.me/ultikid and donate directly to me if you'd like, but I do not require that. My videos will always be free, so thank you so much for watching and have a great day.